Welcome to India.
Yeah, thank you. You guys from?
We are from here. I'm from Garo Hills.
Okay, Garo. You? Khasi only.
I'm from here, Shillong.
From here? I thought you're from Korea.
Oh.
Yeah, from the look. Okay, thank you. Let's go and witness the biggest vibe.
Take it to the one. Take it, never go. Are you in love? Say no back and jump, 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 jump.
Yo, hello Shillong, Meghalaya, Kumno Pilong Paralog, welcome back again. This is your African boy Gabs Gabi and I'm in the city, guys. So today we are going to explore one event here, guys. This is one event between collaboration between the Meghalayan local and Korean, guys. So this is the highlight of whatever going to happen. Quid game, Korean, K-pop, fashion, a lot of music, and there is so many out to be trying, guys. So meet my friend, yo, Reynard. Yeah, so he's with me, guys. And this is Wat Lake. We are in the Wat Lake, guys. So the event is taking place in the Wat Lake. So we are going to explore the beauty and the talent, guys, and we'll enjoy the music together, guys. Yeah, so let's just have a view. So there is the concert is taking place, guys. And see out there. This is Wat Lake. This is also one of the most famous places, guys. And people used to come and chill out there. It's so kind of comfortable, guys. People love it. So actually, guys, there is one Korean guy performing here by the name Aoora. Aoora, guys, is performing out here. Yeah.
Excuse me, can we take picture with you?
Yeah, sure.
Look around lang.
Which camera?
Oh, thank you. So last one, I'm just gonna do that dance with that dancing. My cover for long.
Kaya ka lang din yung
So I've been doing YouTube for 5 and 1 longest. So
佢嘅立杯味道加起激啲。我哋咪留啦，十個俾佢。
yeah, like 5 years ago. So I started 5 years ago. So you've been subscriber since 3 years ago.
Smile.
Okay.
2 years.
Done.
Hey, you are here. Yeah, so make sure to subscribe to my channel, okay? You'll find this vlog here. Okay, have a selfie. Let's have a selfie also. Okay? Yeah, thank you. Nice to meet you all.
Okay, we got this different.
Let's go. Let's move around.
Okay, let's do rock, paper, scissors, okay? So you have to beat me, okay?
We have to pause.
So if you tie, then you're out, okay? And the last one to beat me.
Let's be here for some time because that guy is there.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors! So only scissors, okay? Keep your hands up, okay? And then rock, paper, scissors! Only paper. I see paper.
No.
So,
No, not
okay,
him.
paper.
Not him.
There are
That
about
is
like
not
6 people, so I'm gonna do one more and then I'm gonna bring up to the stage, okay? Rock, paper, scissors! Oh, scissors! Okay, so 6. No, what's your paper? Yeah, okay. So you're. The scissor has to me. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors. Scissors, paper. Two rock. Okay. You
Let's go
and
that side. Okay.
you guys do it together, okay? Whoever wins, come up to the stage, okay?
Hi. Gabs from Africa, South Sudan.
Welcome to India.
Yeah, thank you. You guys from?
We are from here. I'm from Garo Hills.
Okay, Garo. You? Khasi only.
I'm from here, Shillong.
From here. I thought you're from Korea.
Oh.
Yeah, from the look. So what is this costume for?
So we are playing from the Mobile Legends. Like it's game.
Okay,
Yeah. I'm cosplaying as Saber, like Onimaru skin.
okay. It's like you're going to present
Yeah,
drama?
Yeah, we will perform there. Like,
Okay.
It's starting from your home.
Your performance is about what?
It's not game only. Really.
It's a game?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we are doing like something action.
Okay, nice. Let me have selfie with you guys. Okay, thank you. Come so that you will help me and tell me some of your traditional stuff. Those are
bad at the name.
those are the traditional stuff. Khasi, right? Meghalaya things only.
Traditional pot made from black clay, which is clear, which you get only in East Jantia Hills.
It's Jantia stuff. Okay. Wow.
This is a traditional
Okay.
Oh, it's like handbag.
Yeah. What's it?
This is like handbag.
Oh, spice.
This is cultural, guys. Traditional stuff only. It's natural only. It's looking nice.
It's a gardening tools.
It's for the garden things.
Yeah, yes, for garden.
Okay, like home garden.
Yes, for garden.
Okay.
These are the local spice available in Meghalaya.
Okay. This is black pepper.
Yeah, black
Turmeric.
pepper, turmeric.
Okay.
There's green tea. These are dried gooseberries.
Dry fruit.
Yes.
This is green tea, right? Oh, green tea. Okay, nice. Thank you. Hello, brother. How are you?
I'm good, brother.
Fine?
Yes.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Africa.
Oh, Africa.
Yeah. South Sudan. Welcome. Yes.
Oh, cool.
Yes. You?
I'm from Guam.
Guam.
Yes.
Guam is?
Guam is a tiny island that is in the middle of the Pacific Ocean.
Okay. It's my first time knowing about that.
Oh yeah, it's actually part of the United States. Yeah, can you? Sorry, I don't like it, Rennie.
Guam. It's a country.
It's a U.S. territory.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. Amazing. What is famous about that place?
I think that it's a U.S. territory. There's a lot of military there,
Okay.
and it's beautiful, really beautiful. Yeah,
Okay.
beautiful beaches and some of the most beautiful sunsets I've ever seen.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're nice to meet you.
Thank you. Hello, hi. How are you?
I'm good.
Fine. Your name?
Pema.
Pema.
Yeah. Where you
Okay.
came from?
From Africa, South Sudan.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
You'll be here for how many days?
For 2-3 weeks, I will attend cherry blossom.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm a student here.
You're a student?
Yeah. Actually,
Okay.
I'm from Arunachal Pradesh.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Have a great day.
Okay, thank you. So this side, guys, is where you will do the boating. You have to pay and use, guys. Yeah. So fun. This is lake. That's why they call it Wat Lake, because of this lake, guys. That's why they say it is Wat Lake. Yeah, it's so amazing. There is different stuff to try also inside here. Yeah. Let's go and witness the biggest vibe.
Take it to the one. Take it, never go. Are you in love? Say no back. Jump
Thank you so much.
Are you ready? And this song is called Greatest. No, take it. Yên yên tươi bao lòng, ya chính pan yên ya cha cả thoi. Yên bang ta da cả ban chang, un kiri shot yên ya cả la we yên ya cha cả. Yang nama dah kecil